Now here we are already in Module 3, halfway through the World 2 course. This module will be focusing on the impact of individual and collective beliefs on the living environment and physical health. So the intended outcome that we have for you in this module is to recognize how some of our worldviews have affected the quality of our living environment, and either directly or as a consequence of this effect, how they impact our health. So Alain, what will the students be learning in this module?
Well, to begin with, you will deepen your understanding of the impact of human action on nature and the extent to which this impact is both local and global. What will be particularly interesting here is to identify the cultural views that have accelerated the current environmental crisis, often rooted in scientific or religious dogma. From this perspective, you will then examine to what extent your individual choices and behaviors contribute to the current state of the environment. And finally, you will have the opportunity to evaluate how your own health is affected by environmental degradation.
Wonderful. You know, in order to do all this, what Alain has described so wonderfully for you, it seems to me that you are really going to need to use the lenses and the conceptual tools you obtained during the World 1 course. In particular, you will be applying complex adaptive systems thinking and living systems thinking to your reflections here in Module 3 of this World 2 course. Now, this means considering the interconnectedness of our systems of thought and values, our living environment, and our personal health. And when you put these reflections together in a holistic perspective, you will begin to be able to appreciate how the current health of the planet as a whole is affected by our individual and collective belief systems. So, it turns out that not only what you say and do matter, but what you think and what you believe matters too. Enjoy the module.